Hello, guys. What's up? It's been only 2 months. 2025 has just started, and lots of brands are bringing new tools in the field. So, like always, we have made a list of 20 best new tools of this year. Stay till the last of the video. Maybe you'll get your needed one here. Finally, the long wait is over, because Ryobi Tools just introduced its super popular pool vacuum that they discontinued years ago. No more dealing with messy hoses or complicated setups. This lightweight, cordless vacuum makes cleaning a breeze, whether it's your pool, hot tub, or spa. It's powerful enough to tackle sand, dirt, and leaves with an impressive 13 gallons per minute of suction, and its removable floor head is perfect for reaching into corners. With a 1.7-liter tank and a dual filtration system, you'll clean more in less time. Plus, it's rated water-resistant up to 13 feet, so deep cleaning is no problem. Use it handheld for quick touch-ups or attach it to a standard pool pole for a full clean. And when you're done, just hang it on your Ryobi Link wall rail. Simple, efficient, and hassle-free, pool cleaning has never been this easy. Next up, the new M18 brushless stick transfer pump. This tool is designed to make water removal faster and easier, whether you're working in trenches, vaults, utility pole holes, or other tough job sites. Powered by the reliable battery platform and advanced brushless motor technology, this pump can transfer up to 25 gallons of water per minute, which gives you the speed you need to get the job done efficiently. Plus, this tool can move up to 1,000 gallons of water, providing long-lasting performance without constant battery changes. What makes this pump stand out is the innovative HydroPass filter technology, which features a 360-degree filter that maximizes water flow even in debris-heavy environments. This means fewer clogs, less downtime, and more productivity. With a 48-inch submersible reach, the pump easily accesses water at the bottom of deep trenches and other hard-to-reach areas, which makes it a versatile, dependable tool for professionals who need efficient, clog-free pumping on the go. Ego Power Plus Compact Pressure Washer. This tool is here to make cleaning a whole lot easier, and honestly, a lot more fun. With up to 2,100 psi of pressure and 1.2 gallons per minute, this thing packs some serious power to blast away dirt, grime, and whatever else is messing up your driveway, deck, or car. The best part? It's lightweight, portable, and super easy to use. You can hook it up to a regular garden hose or go completely cordless by drawing water from a bucket with the included siphon hose. So, no more being tied down to a water source. Switching between tasks is simple with 3 handy modes: Eco for light cleaning, High for everyday messes, and Turbo when you need that extra muscle. And you won't be constantly stopping to recharge. You get up to 30 minutes of runtime with the 6 amp-hour ARC lithium battery that comes with it. Plus, it comes with all the tools you'll need, like a short pressure washer gun, a stainless steel wand, and a bunch of nozzles. Step up your cutting game with the next generation Nuron Power DSH 622 ATC and DSH 722 ATC battery cutoff saws. These saws deliver the same punch you'd expect from a gas-powered saw, but with a whole lot more safety, efficiency, and ease. What makes these saws stand out? First, there's the anti-kickback feature, which helps prevent those sudden, jarring movements that can catch you off guard. Plus, the built-in torque control is like having an invisible safety net. If the saw kicks back or drops unexpectedly, it stops in less than 1 second to protect you and your work. That's peace of mind right there. When it comes to performance, these battery-powered beasts don't mess around. With 2 sets of batteries, you get the same cutting power as a full tank of gas. That means you can tackle tough jobs with 0 fumes, less noise, and noticeably less vibration. No more dealing with gas cans, pull cords, or that headache-inducing noise from traditional saws. Just charge, cut, and get on with your day. Whether you're cutting through concrete, masonry, or metal, these Nuron saws deliver professional-level performance with user-friendly features that make your work safer and more comfortable. The Bosch 3-plane leveling and alignment laser is the perfect tool for effortless, precise room layouts. It projects 3 bright chalk lines in full 360-degree laser planes, making it easy to square, align, and measure for any renovation or construction project. The built-in VisiMax technology monitors power consumption to maximize visibility and battery life, while the upgraded diode provides a bright, clear beam visible up to 200 feet in diameter. Need more range? Switch to pulse mode, and with an optional receiver, the range extends up to 300 feet, even in bright lighting. Setup is simple, with the versatile BM1 positioning device, which clips to surfaces, stands on floors, or mounts to drywall or wood with screws. The smart pendulum system ensures the laser self-levels when within 4 degrees and alerts you if it's off, while manual mode lets you lock lines at any angle. Built tough with an IP54 rating, it's protected against dust and splash water, ensuring long-lasting performance on job sites. The Skil PR0601B telescoping pruning saw is a powerful and convenient tool designed to make pruning trees and shrubs easier than ever. Equipped with a telescoping pole, it extends to give you extra reach without the need for a ladder, making it safer and more efficient to trim high branches. Powered by Skil's advanced lithium battery technology, it delivers reliable, long-lasting performance with each charge. The saw features a high-efficiency motor that cuts through thick branches with ease, while its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. For added convenience, it has an adjustable cutting head, allowing you to trim at different angles effortlessly. Whether you're maintaining your backyard trees or tackling larger landscaping projects, the Skil PR0601B provides the power, reach, and ease you need to get the job done quickly and safely. Imagine you're in the middle of a tough welding job, sweat dripping down your face as you try to stay focused. But what if you could eliminate this discomfort and distraction? Here is the Jackson Translight Premium Welding Helmet, a tool with comfort and precision. Engineered with a lightweight and ergonomically balanced design, this helmet alleviates stress and fatigue, allowing you to concentrate fully on your welding tasks. Boasting a generous 12.47 square inches of viewing area, it provides unparalleled peripheral vision. With superior coverage and a 1111 optical clarity rating, you'll enjoy maximum visibility and precision in every welding position. Equipped with 4 arc sensors, it ensures optimal coverage even when welding in challenging positions. Stay ahead of the curve. Fed up with the constant hassle of tripping over tangled extension cords? Meet Flexzilla retractable extension cord reels. Available in both 25 and 50-foot lengths, these reels offer you an ample amount of cord to suit your specific needs, whether you're working on a small DIY project or tackling a larger job. Additionally, the lighted triple tap outlet not only enhances safety, but also provides you with plenty of capacity for all your power needs, making you feel like a true rock star in your workshop or garage. But that's not all. It takes convenience to the next level with the inclusion of a swiveling mounting bracket. This innovative feature allows the bracket to pivot in every direction, granting you unparalleled flexibility and comfort as you work in various positions. No more awkward bending or stretching to reach those tricky spots. Unior understands the frustration of dealing with stripped screws. We've all experienced the struggle of trying to loosen a stubborn bolt, only to discover the head is completely stripped. That's why we created these screw pliers, to be a reliable ally for every handyman. With horizontal and vertical serrated teeth, these pliers grip the outer diameter of the screw head with exceptional traction, even if the profile is severely damaged. They're the superheroes of the tool world, swooping in to save the day when all seems lost. Plus, they offer great compatibility, working on screw heads ranging from 3 to 11 millimeters in diameter. With these pliers by your side, you can tackle any screw that crosses your path, regardless of size. At first, we have the Letti Autohammer. This tool will let you experience a good shift in assembly work. It's a perfect combo of efficiency and ergonomic design. Gone are the days of manual hammering. This battery-powered tool redefines cable clamping with its effortless operation. Say farewell to fatigue-induced inefficiencies as the Letti Autohammer's intuitive functions and ergonomic design streamline your workflow. With a simple one-handed grip switch, adapting to diverse working positions becomes seamless. Plus, it illuminates your workspace with integrated work lights and achieves unparalleled precision with the built-in distance meter. But the real kicker? This tool can drive at an impressive 500 staples per charge, ensuring uninterrupted productivity like never before. Despite its appearance, the Woodpecker C760A is the ultimate tool for fencing and clamping. This industrial pneumatic hog ring gun is user-friendly and ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Crafted for longevity, it features robust, lightweight aluminum alloy housing and durable jaws that withstand daily use without breaking. Designed with your comfort in mind, it boasts a well-balanced weight, a responsive trigger, and an oversized rubber handle for easy gripping. The best part? It harnesses air power to swiftly form staples into buckles, saving you time and effort. With the ability to handle thousands of staples effortlessly, it ensures stress-free operation. Compatible with 16-gauge hog ring staples, this tool is incredibly versatile, catering to the needs of every handyman. Forget about ordinary solutions. Here comes the BINYATOOLS Magnetic Wristband, a tool made for handymen and DIY enthusiasts alike. This isn't just any wristband, it's specifically crafted for those who frequently work with small metal parts or tools. Equipped with 9 powerful neodymium magnets, it securely holds even the tiniest tools such as pliers, cutters, and wire crimpers in place, allowing you to move and shake your hand without worrying about losing anything. The wristband's adjustable and comfortable design ensures a perfect fit for extended wear, while the thumb loop provides additional wrist support during strenuous tasks. Crafted from lightweight and breathable perforated neoprene fabric, you'll hardly notice it's there. Now you don't have to face any strap rotation and sliding with its secure fit, because your tools will stay in place without the need for constant adjustment. Experience unparalleled efficiency with the BINYATOOLS Magnetic Wristband. Experience a game-changing solution with the ToughBuilt GelFit Fanatic Thigh Support Stabilization knee pads. These are not tools, but are designed to eliminate discomfort and boost productivity for all the tool users out there. Featuring a GelFit cushioning system, these knee pads offer unparalleled comfort and support. The gel and foam blend conforms to your knees, providing a personalized fit that alleviates pressure and reduces fatigue during extended work periods. With the innovative Fanatic Thigh Support Stabilization design, enjoy enhanced stability and thigh support, ensuring the knee pads remain securely in place without slipping or requiring frequent adjustments. Crafted from durable materials, these knee pads are built to withstand the most demanding work environments, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and protection. This is the Rhino Cable Pulling Probe. It's the ultimate solution for solo cable installations, especially during wiring tasks. This tool is meticulously designed to handle electrical wires, cables, and optical fibers without the need for assistance from colleagues. Featuring a robust case and a range of accessories, it provides the versatility you've always desired. The expandable nozzle facilitates easy cable pulling through narrow wireways or pipes, while its user-friendly operation requires minimal effort. Simply place the Rhino cable puller in the desired location, give it a gentle touch, and let it take care of the rest. With Rhino by your side, cable pulling has never been easier or more efficient. Meet the King Tony 2747DR, a screwdriver that may seem like a baby toy at first glance, but packs a serious punch and functionality. Its versatile ratchet design makes light work of screw-driving tasks, offering unparalleled flexibility in tight spaces. Navigate screws effortlessly from any angle with the swivel handle, while the forward-reverse mechanism enables swift transitions between tightening and loosening. Maneuver with finesse in even the narrowest of confines thanks to the 5-degree ratcheting gear, providing smooth operation. And with a 72-teeth ratchet ensuring precision and control, every task becomes a breeze. Why settle for less when you can have all your demolition needs met with one versatile tool? Introducing the VAUGHAN Rage Demolition Tool, a simple yet powerful solution packed with versatile functionalities for any handyman. Tired of hauling around multiple heavy tools? This multifunctional marvel consolidates your toolkit into one convenient device. Its crosshatched hammer effortlessly chisels or punches holes in drywall, tile, plaster, and lath. Need to grab, bend, or tear out lumber? The wood grabber jaws have you covered. But wait, there's more! Equipped with a built-in pry bar, it's perfect for lifting boards, nail strips, molding, and more. The closed and beveled nail pullers ensure easy nail extraction, while the magnetic nail holder simplifies nail starting. Introducing the PREXISO P1 P30 multi-torpedo laser level, an end to the frustration of traditional bubble levels and squinting to achieve straight lines. This versatile tool is your go-to solution for indoor construction projects, boasting a range of features that streamline your workflow. Equipped with a precise laser and bubble levels mechanism, it facilitates accurate horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree leveling tasks, whether you're installing cabinets, laying tiles, or hanging shelves. With a range of up to 30 meters for point leveling and 10 meters for line leveling, it's perfect for projects of any size. Noteworthy is its strong magnetic base with V-groove, allowing for hands-free operation and enabling you to work with both hands freely. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to efficiency with the PREXISO P1 P30 multi-torpedo laser level. While its appearance may differ from a traditional hand saw, the ToughBuilt 18-inch PVC saw boasts equal power and ease of use. Its distinctive design and injection-molded ergonomic handle ensure optimal cutting performance with minimal effort required. Equipped with a high-carbon steel blade, this saw effortlessly slices through PVC pipes of varying thicknesses. The electrocoating on the blade reduces friction and drag, further enhancing cutting efficiency. Additionally, the blade features induction-hardened teeth and an integrated ruler, facilitating quick and accurate cuts, as well as hassle-free measurements. With a convenient pencil holder integrated into the handle, essential measuring tools are always within reach. The Little Giant Jumbo Step, a ladder that transforms your climbing experience into a seamless ascent akin to ascending a staircase. Crafted from non-conductive fiberglass, this ladder offers a lightweight alternative to bulky 6-foot ladders. With 3 wide steps, standing comfortably is effortless. Plus, enjoy the convenience of 2 handrail positions and an innovative tool tray, perfect for tackling tough work with ease. The slip-resistant oversized feet provide stability whether you're at home or in commercial settings, and they can be quickly replaced when needed. With all these features, there's no excuse not to keep a jumbo step in your truck bed. For precision that rivals the pros, look no further than the Craftsman's 16-foot Pro 11 tape measure. This 11¼ tape measure is your go-to tool for achieving accurate measurements every time. Its wide, durable blade boasts high-contrast measurement markings for easy readability. With a multi-catch hook, you can effortlessly grab materials from the top or bottom. Plus, the side lock allows you to secure the length when you need a break from measuring. Designed with ergonomics in mind, it fits comfortably in your hand, while its tough construction ensures long-lasting durability. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.